Where in the past people had to go to the office in suits to open a position on the stock exchange by telephone, nowadays with the current technology people can easily trade from home or even on the go. And that is exactly the reason why more and more people start day trading. We often get the question whether day trading can really be profitable or whether it is just a myth and only people with large amount of capital can trade profitably. To answer this question directly, I can tell you that day trading is certainly possible for individuals who want to trade from home. In fact, due to current technology, we see an exponential growth in the people who earn with day trading. In this video, I explain the starting steps for day trading followed by a complete profitable strategy that you can execute immediately. Let's get started right away. Before we start trading, we need to have some accounts on which we can trade and analyze cryptocurrency. The main account we need is our trading account. We can eventually open and sell positions on this account. Do you want to trade in cryptocurrency? Then you can open an account on the exchange Bybit. Bybit is one of the most well-known crypto trading exchanges at the moment. You can find Bybit via the link in the description below this video. We are not going to tell you about Bybit in this video. We have made a separate tutorial for this. You can also find this in the description. If you have created an account on Bybit, we can create an account on TradingView. This is a platform on which you can easily analyze all prices. Don't panic if you don't get it at the beginning. We have made a tutorial for Bybit and TradingView so that you can easily get started. Once you have created an account on both platforms, you are ready to trade. In the next few minutes, I will explain to you a complete trading strategy that I use myself and with which I earn my money every month. Before I explain this to you, I first want to tell you some things about day trading. As I said in the beginning, profitable day trading is now possible for everyone. It doesn't matter where you come from or how old you are. But day trading is not easy at the beginning. You will have to practice a lot, and at the beginning you will probably lose money rather than make money. It is very possible to trade profitably, but no one said it is easy. It is wise to watch the right videos and, for example, hire an experienced mentor who will help you practice and open positions with you in practice. We also have a lot of free information available on this YouTube channel. So take a look at our videos after this video. Take day trading seriously. If you start, you will most likely have a great career ahead of you. You will earn unlimited and get a lot of freedom that allows you to travel the world or go on vacation 5 times a year. However, take day trading seriously again. When you start, give it the full 100%. If you currently have another job or are in school, practice after school or work and on weekends. Don't you like it to learn a lot? Then you can also choose to sign up for our premium subscription in which we trade for you. You simply trade with us and you don't have to do anything yourself. Of course, trading yourself is more fun, and that is why we are now going to start with the strategy. The strategy one I'm going to explain can be followed by anyone. Little to no experience is required. The strategy is called the Golden Cross strategy. You see, we are here on TradingView and trading on the 15-minute time frame. We can add different indicators by this indicators section. In this strategy, you use 2 well-known indicators called moving average weighted. Enter the abbreviation and then press this indicator twice. Plus you will now see the 2 indicators at the top left. Press settings so we can change the length. We change the first indicator to a length of 200. We then make the color red. We make the second indicator green in color and give it a length of 50. You can see that both indicators are now clearly visible on the chart. With these two moving average indicators, we can easily predict the price. I made the colors red and green on purpose so that you can easily know in which direction the trend is moving. Does red move above? Then we only open short positions. Those are positions that you can earn with when the market falls. Does green moves above? Then we just open long positions. Those are positions that you simply earn with when the market rises. Let's look at an example. The idea is that you now look for a crossing between these two lines and see which color comes up. As with this intersection, we see that green is now coming up. This means that the price may rise again. In this case, it was excellent. If we look back a bit and look at the previous intersection, we see that red came above after the price immediately started to fall. These two indicators therefore provide an excellent indication of where the price may rise or fall. Here we see another example on the chart. On the left of the screen we see that green comes above red, which indicates that the price may rise. So we open a long position on Bybit with which we earn with if the price actually rises. This happened. Moments later, red rose again above green, after which we could immediately open a short position on Bybit. This is again a position that we earn with when the market falls. And that happened. Because this is a pure beginner's strategy, you can decide for yourself when you close a position again. The most important thing you have now learned is that you know when the price may change direction and how to respond to this. If you want to know exactly how to open orders on Bybit, you can watch our tutorial. Here we explain exactly how to actually open a position. If you want to trade more experienced, then you can learn one of our many other experienced strategies after this strategy. I'll show you some more examples of this beginner strategy. Here on the chart, green came over red. So we were again able to open a long position on Bybit. After the moving averages crossed, the market rose sharply. You can see that you can actually simply predict the price via two lines. After this increase, we saw something remarkable that you should also take into account later. Red came above green again, but the price did not fall. Then green came above red again and the price did not rise further here either. This can of course always happen. Not every time when the moving average cross you will get 100% certainty that the market is actually moving in the right direction. You can see that the price made a big drop again at the third crossing, which allowed us to earn a lot back. In this video you learned which two accounts you need before you can day trade and how you can partly predict the trend. I hope you will check out our other strategy videos to become a good day trader. Don't forget to take a look at our website for the premium subscription. We currently have a no-profit money-back guarantee. More information about this can be found on the website. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.